For CBSE 10th grade, there are two types of question paper. One is basic, the other one is standard. One question is the total surface area of a cube of side 20 centimeter is dash. How will you find out? You know that the surface area of a cube of one face is a square. Here this cube has 6 faces. So total surface area is 6 into a square. A square is the area of the one surface. A cube is a fundamental 3D shape in geometry. It's a regular polyhedron. Has 6 identical square faces, 12 equal sides, 8 vertices or corners, and all internal angles are 90 degree. Its volume can be found out by a formula A cube. A is the length of one side and total surface area is 6a square. A square is the surface area of one face. How many faces are there for a cube? 6. That is why the total surface area is 6 into a square. If the length of a side is given, that is A, you can find out the volume and surface area of a cube. Please look at this. This cube has 6 surfaces. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1 top surface plus 1 bottom surface. Total 6 surfaces. If the length of a side is given, that is A, you can find out the volume and surface area of a cube. Surface area 6a square, volume a cube, where a is the length of a side.